Hi guys, this is Rahul and I will be taking the weekly analysis for Forex for this week. Now we'll start with the analysis on the dollar index. So as you can see last week, we had a rejection at the support. Price fell all the way to 96.6 but then got rejected, right? And closed at 97.17. Now that indicates that dollar is not that weak, obviously, because in December, especially in the last couple of weeks, you have a lot of spending which is done in US because of the Christmas season holiday. So I haven't really noticed dollar becoming weak in December last week, and which is what is seen on the charts also. We have a rejection, so I'm expecting dollar to be bullish, at least if not strongly bullish. At least the next target should be the next resistance, which is at 98.30, right? So it could be range bound, but for us that would still be a bullish week to expect on dollar. Now moving on to other currencies, let's take gold. So what we see in gold, there was this upward move and then price had started to come down. It is still on the pullback, right? And there's been continuous rejections on all the weeks prior. Last week we have a bigger body dominating candlestick, but we have a rejection also. So what I'm expecting in gold is also support test being tested. So we can see here the market broke out and then it is doing a pullback and now it is sideways. So the least that I expect gold to be tested is 1448. If that level breaks, then you can see the market testing 1400 levels, right? Once that breaks, then we'll see what next. But currently for this week, I'm expecting gold to retest the previous support at 1452 to 1455, right? That's the range for gold. Now coming to oil, we can see oil is slowly moving up. It got rejected, so we don't have a very clear trend. It is sideways right now. So I would not be trading much on oil, although I'm expecting the market to retest 63.55, right? But that depends on whether the market breaks this swing last week's high, 60.46. Right? So oil is not giving any clear signals, although we had this strong bullish move, but the momentum has slowed down now. So we'll have to wait and watch how oil works out. So I'll stay away from oil. Euro USD, I'm expecting a bearish move. You can see price went up but got rejected from the resistance. So expecting Euro to be bearish this week. On the daily chart, you can see a very strong rejection candle on Friday. And even today's movement, price is already getting rejected. So I'd be bearish. Now the rejection is happening from the resistance. And we can also see that the long-term trend is downwards. And the pullback has been done clearly till 50%, right? So first target would be 1.1081 and second one would be 1.1002. GBP USD, similar to Euro, it has reached the resistance and gotten rejected from there, right? So I'm not strongly bearish on this, but I do expect some range bound movement because the previous swing high has not been broken. It has been tested but not broken yet, right? So if this high breaks, if we have a body dominating candle closing above this resistance at 3518, then price can continue to move up. Else we can expect a pullback or a retest of the support at 1.2765. New Zealand USD, we see there is an indecision candle. This indecision formed after the golden ratio of 61.8. And on the weekly chart also we have an indecision, right? So New Zealand is not bullish but not bearish also. We still need some confirmation before we can start shorting New Zealand dollar. We need a breakout, a candle closing below this indecision candle. So we need a breakout or body dominant close below 65 1.79. AUDUSD on the other hand is weaker than New Zealand dollar. So you can see this bearish engulfing on the daily chart at the resistance on AUDUSD, right? So I would expect AUD to fall faster than New Zealand. So bearish on AUD, and New Zealand still needs a confirmation. Now because of this reason, a good trade that I would be focusing on for this week is AUDNZD, right? You can see price has been falling. There was a slight pullback and a strong bearish engulfing on the daily chart. So here is the time to enter with a stop loss just above Friday's high for short-term traders, and the target would be 1.0265. So that is a target of about 150 pips. And we have a stop loss of about 69-70 pips. So that's a 1:2 risk to reward trade. Other than this, most of the trades that I have are all Euro pairs. We have Euro CAD, where I'm expecting a bearish movement. Price has gotten into this consolidation, but a lot of rejection is happening. So there should be a breakout on the downside anytime. You can see on the weekly chart a lot of rejections. So there was a breakout of the support and price is now in a sideways move. So I'm expecting the market to first test 1.4423. If that breaks, then a further downside move. So Euro CAD, I'm bearish on this. Euro NZD, I'm looking at a bearish move, a retest of 1.6524, which is the next support level. It's already in a bearish move. We can see we have two inside candles, actually one inside candle of last week. And this week, the momentum should actually continue, looking at a target of 6528. Euro JPY, I'm bearish because of Euro being bearish and JPY not looking too good. Sorry, JPY looking stronger and Euro looking bearish. So that's why I'm expecting Euro JPY to be on the bearish side. Daily chart, you also see a very strong rejection candlestick formed on Friday. And right now market is giving us a pullback, so which is good. We can get a better entry. I'm hoping that we can get in somewhere around 122.20. That would be the ideal entry. Another 35 to 40 pips from the current price. Stop loss just above Friday's high. So that's the trade for Euro JPY. Euro CHF, similar move. I'm bearish on this, but I would like to take the entry only if the market gives me a retracement until at least about 1.1000, the psychological level. So if I have an entry here, I would take this trade because I can see this rejection multiple times, this double top kind of a formation at this level, right? So I'm waiting for this entry. That's all for this week. These are the trades that I'm focusing on for this week. Any other question that you might have, you can post it on this channel. Thank you so much and see you guys next week. Bye bye.